Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to draw a line in TradingView step by step. Whether you're brand new to charting or just looking for a quick refresher, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently draw lines on your charts, perfect for tracking trends, marking support or resistance, or just analyzing markets a little bit better. Let's dive right in. So first things first, we'll need to head over to TradingView. Simply open up your web browser and type in TradingView.com. It's one of the most popular charting platforms in the world, and for good reason. The interface is intuitive and there are tons of tools available. You're going to love how much you can do with just a few clicks. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, let's look towards the top navigation bar. You'll see a menu called Products. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where TradingView organizes all of its different features. Clicking here is just like opening up a toolbox before you start a project. You're making sure you have everything you need before you get started. Now, after clicking Products, you'll be brought to a new screen, but don't let all the options slow you down. Focus on the top left side of your window. That's where the magic happens. You'll find a set of tool icons here. One of these is the Trend Line tool. It usually looks like a little line at an angle. Hover over the icons if you need a hint. TradingView will show the name of the tool when you hover your mouse over it, which can be super helpful if you're new to the platform or just can't remember which tool is which. Now, before we jump to drawing, let's talk for a second about why those trend lines are so useful. In trading, trend lines can act like the guardrails on a road, helping you see the overall direction of the market or where the price tends to bounce or stop. Drawing them accurately can give you a much clearer view of what's really happening. So, with the trend line tool selected, you're ready to draw. Move your mouse over to the chart area and click once at the spot where you want your trend line to begin. Don't rush, it's worth taking a moment to line it up exactly where you want. This first click anchors the line. Think of it like planting the first stake in a garden, marking where you'll stretch out your new vine. Now, keeping your mouse button held down, drag it across your chart to where you want the trend line to end. Maybe you're connecting a couple of swing lows to show an uptrend, or perhaps you're linking two recent peaks. This step is like stretching a string from one point to another. Keep an eye on the angle and the position so the line matches your intention. Once everything lines up, simply release the mouse button, and that's it, your trend line is set. If it's not perfect on the first try, don't worry, you can always click and drag the points to adjust them. TradingView makes it super easy to tweak things until you're satisfied. And that's how simple it is to draw a line in TradingView. A few clicks, a little adjustment, and you're ready to start analyzing charts like a pro. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Let me know any questions you have in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.